Welcome again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, Binance have actually promised they'll be burning billions of Terra Classic Coin very soon. Now, the staking of Terra Classic have finally crossed 1 trillion coins. Now, I remember some few months ago when Terra Classic staking was just between 40 billion coins, and now we are talking about 1 trillion coins. 1 trillion coins has been taken out of Terra Classic. 1 trillion coins is a lot. That simply means so many people believe on Terra Classic coin that this coin is definitely going to rise. That is why so many people don't want to sell. Everybody wants to make money. Nobody wants to miss. And that's why a lot of people have been staking their coin instead of selling off their Terra Classic coin. I believe LUNC is going to pump this year 2023. This coin might be hitting over 1 cent, 10 cents, or $1 before the end of this year. The staking have continued to increase in price. Many more investors, many more big buyers are actually staking their coin because everyone believes this coin is going to pump. So when Terra Classic start pumping, of course, a lot of people will be making a lot of money. And I believe that the staking before the end of this year will be hitting over 2 to 3 trillion coins. Last year, Terra Classic really did renters of staking, but this year that number is definitely going to increase. And we hope to see Terra Classic coin become one of the biggest coins of 2023. Once again, remember that this coin have gotten the support of top crypto billionaires, the support of top crypto exchanges, and the community. They are amazing. They've been supporting Terra Classic coin, and I believe very soon more community will be supporting the burning. More community will be mounting pressures on Kucoin, Crypto.com to start burning their Terra Classic coin. We believe very soon Coinbase will be coming into at least list Terra Classic coin because so many people have been asking Coinbase to do that. So I believe very soon they'll be bowing down to the pressure, and this coin will definitely become one of the biggest coins of 2023. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.